Hi, JK friends. This is Miss Elias, and I am here with a new friend. I'll let him introduce himself.
Hello, I am Lionel.
Lionel and I are going to read a book to you today called Here We Are Notes for Living on Planet Earth, written and illustrated by Oliver Jeffers.
Has he done any other books?
Yes, Oliver Jeffers has written and illustrated many books, including one that we've read in the Penguins class called Lost and Found, about the boy and his penguin, and they use an umbrella as a boat.
Wow.
It's pretty fun. Lionel, are you ready to sing our book song?
Oh, I am.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Take a look at my book. Take a look at my book. I see the title, the author's name. This is the front cover, back cover, spine. Nice. That was your first time singing it with me.
That's
you did a
true.
Great job.
Oh, thank you.
So, Lionel, this book is called Here We Are, Notes for Living on Planet Earth. And we already said that Oliver Jeffers is the writer, the author. So that means that he writes the words.
Yes.
And he's also the illustrator. So what does that mean?
Oh, pictures.
Yes.
He does them.
He does. So in this book is also kind of like a letter that he is writing to his son.
Aww.
And when his son was a baby, when his son was only 2 months old, and he is explaining what he thinks is important to know about the world. Do you know about the world?
I know all about the world.
Wow.
I'm the king of the jungle, and I know everything about the jungle.
Do you think that the jungle is the whole world?
Of course, the jungle is the whole world. What else is there?
Well, Lionel, I think you might be a little bit surprised when we read this book, because this book is going to teach us about things in the world that are not the jungle.
What?
Let's find out. It might be a little surprising. Are you ready to learn about more things?
Okay, I will try.
Okay. How to find your way whenever you get lost. Oh, wow. So, Lionel, I know you've seen stars in the sky from the jungle.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So there's the North Star, and you know all about constellations, right? Because you've been doing all the JK lessons on constellations and stars.
Oh, yes.
They've been pretty fun, right? So you know about the Little Dipper, the Big Dipper, and you know that direction is north, right?
Right.
Here we are, Notes for Living on Planet Earth. So he must be holding his baby there.
How sweet.
How sweet. So that's the solar system. You've seen the sun before, right?
Yes.
Do you like it when it's sunny in the jungle?
It's the best time of day.
And those are all the planets. Well, hello. Welcome to this planet. We call it Earth. It is the big globe floating in space on which we live. I live on planet Earth. Do you, Lionel?
Yes, that's what I hear.
We're glad you found us. Space is very big. So that's us. And then that's the moon. Then there's Mars. There is much to see and do here on Earth. So let's get started with a quick tour. Oh, I wonder where we'll start.
The jungle.
Let's see. The planet is basically made up of 2 parts. Land. You know about land,
Yes.
right? Which has rock and dirt. And
trees.
The sea, which has water, lots of water. That volcano is hot. The mountaintop is pointy. The snow on the top of the mountain is cold.
Yes.
Bumpy hills, flat plains, dry desert. It's also hot and wet. Firstly, let's talk about the land. It's what we are standing on right now. We know lots about land. Then there is the sea. You've never seen the sea, right, Lionel?
No. What is the sea?
The sea is a lot of water in a big place, and it's salty. We also call it
salty.
The ocean.
Can you drink it?
Nope. You can swim in it. And it is full of wonderful things.
Wow.
We know a bit about the sea, but we'll talk more about that once you've learned to swim. Oh, Lionel, remember, he's writing to a baby. Do you think the baby knows how to swim?
Probably not.
Probably not. There's an iceberg. And look, there's a little penguin on the iceberg.
Oh.
And then, it looks like a sunken ship and a whale. Oh, wow. All kinds of creatures. I see a narwhal with
a lot of things.
Big, long tooth and a scuba diver. And it looks like a seahorse, just like the JK seahorses. And I see a lobster.
Wow.
Whoa. Some coral.
This is all new to me.
This is exciting stuff, isn't it? There is also the sky, though that can get pretty complicated. All kinds of stars and constellations that look like different things and animals. Do you think that there's a constellation that looks like a lion?
Well, I am the king of the jungle. There should be.
I would think there should be.
Yes.
That could be a fun thing to find out. Okay, moving on. On our planet, there are people. One people is a person. You are a person. You have a body. I'm a person. Head, brain for thinking, arms, heart, it pumps your blood. Belly, legs, lungs for breathing, bones, look after it, as most bits don't grow back. Do you take good care of your body, Lionel?
Oh, obviously.
Yeah, I can tell. The most important things for people to remember are to eat, drink, and stay warm.
That is what I tell the lions as well.
Yes, Lionel, that's important for lions, isn't it?
Yes.
What do you like to eat?
Gazelles.
Oh, and what do you like to drink?
Water.
And how do you stay warm?
Sleep in a big pile of lions.
That makes sense.
We are very warm.
People come in many shapes, sizes, and colors. You've noticed that, right, Lionel?
That's true.
From your time among people. We may all look different, act different, and sound different, but don't be fooled. We are all people. Oh, wow, look at all of those people. And they're all wearing different clothes and they're all doing different things. Wow. I see a clown on a unicycle. I see children singing. I see people wearing, looks like funny scuba helmets. I see some brides. I see someone doing yoga. Wow.
So are clothes different fur colors for humans?
Kind of like that. Yeah. Kind of like that.
But they are all humans.
They're all humans. Yes. There are animals too.
Ah.
They come in even more shapes, sizes, and colors. They can't speak, though. That's no reason not to be nice to them. Wait a minute, Lionel, you can speak.
I can. Well, I am the king after all.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yes.
Do you recognize any of these animals, Lionel? Do these look like
Well,
any of your friends?
Zebras are delicious.
Mm.
Baboons are quite obnoxious.
Okay, I see a dog.
Hippos are very dangerous. That one looks smiling, but they are dangerous. So are crocodiles.
Now, I don't see a lion here.
Unfortunate.
Now, are you a little disappointed about that?
Oh, yes. But how could you capture my majesty?
That's true. You just have to experience you. Yes, I'm really glad that you're here with me.
Oh, as am I.
And I don't have to just look at a picture of you. You may not be able to speak yet either. Oh, remember Lionel? He's still talking to the baby.
Yes.
Maybe the baby can't speak yet, even though your head is filled with questions. Do you remember being little and having a lot of questions but not knowing how to ask them?
Barely.
Yeah, I remember it a little bit.
When do human babies speak? Does it take long?
Human babies actually take a few years before they learn how to speak.
That is a long time. You must be long livers.
Yeah, it depends on the baby, but some start to speak, after a little while. Be patient. You'll learn how to use words soon enough. Generally, how it works is that when the sun is out, it is daytime and we do stuff. Oh, that's how it works in the jungle, right?
Yes, for many animals, yes.
Yes. What about for you?
Yes, we hunt during the day.
Okay. The rest of the time is night, when it is dark, save for the moon, and we sleep. I like to sleep at night.
As do I.
But look at the baby. The baby is in his crib.
Yes.
Do you see what he's holding, Lionel? He's holding a hammer.
What?
Right?
And humans give babies hammers?
Usually, no.
Oh.
That's not a baby toy, but it looks like that baby is holding a hammer and he's saying, please. Well, that's crazy.
I agree.
Wow. Things can sometimes move slowly here on Earth. It can feel like that.
Yes.
Yeah, especially if you spend the whole day inside, right?
That is true.
Yeah. More often, though, they move quickly. It does feel like that sometimes. So use your time well. It will be gone before you know it. I've had that feeling. Sometimes it's the end of the day, and I can't believe the day is all done.
That is true.
Though we have come a long way, we haven't quite worked everything out. So there is plenty left for you to do. You will figure out lots of things for yourself. Just remember to leave notes for everyone else. It looks big, Earth, but there are lots of us on here. Whoa, that's the number. It's a big number. Look how big that is.
What is the number?
7,327,450,667 humans and counting.
That is many humans.
So be kind.
Yes.
There is enough for everyone. Well, that is planet Earth.
Wow.
It's a little bigger than the jungle, right?
I suppose that is true.
Make sure you look after it, as it's all we've got. Now, if you need to know anything else, just ask. I won't be far away. And when I'm not around, you can always ask someone else. You're never alone on Earth?
There are many humans on Earth.
There are. And
Yes.
look, how to find your way whenever you get lost. So here, it looks like we have some clues in the stars.
Ah.
Huh, that is pretty cool.
Yes.
And then here, so here's Earth. All the people live here.
Yes.
No one lives here
The lions live there too.
on Earth.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. So Lionel, Lionel, I have a question for you.
Yes.
Our JK friends now are going to do something pretty cool.
Oh.
And you're going to do it too.
What?
So I want you to think about what is important to you to teach someone else about our Earth. Now, I remember in this book, Oliver Jeffers told us it's really important to leave notes for other people.
Yes.
Just like what he did, telling and teaching people or animals something about the Earth that they should know about. So maybe our JK friends might tell people about their neighborhood, about the polar regions, about what it's like at the beach, maybe about baseball or hockey or about dancing. It can be anything.
Yes.
And they'll have a choice. They'll make a book about that special topic, or they'll create a cool display, kind of like a museum display, teaching about that topic. Lionel, what will you write about? What will you share about or make a collection about to teach?
I will teach the cubs how to hunt.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Yes, that is most important for lions.
Oh, absolutely. So are you going to teach and share all about how lions can find food in the jungle?
Yes.
That is a fantastic idea. So, JK friends, I am excited to find out what is important to you about our Earth. And what would you like to share? And if you'd like to share it, teachers are always happy to see it. Lionel and I have had a lot of fun with you reading this book, and we hope you have a great day. Bye.